Thanks for joining this quick how-to screencast brought to you by Salesforce Support. To see more content like this, hit subscribe so you get notified when we drop more content. In this screencast, we're going to learn how to install a package in your org using a URL. Installing a managed or unmanaged package in your Salesforce org adds new functionality. Before you install a package, verify on the AppExchange listing or from the publisher that the offering is compatible with your Salesforce edition. There are various installation methods based on the type of package. In this example, I will show you how to install the package using a direct URL. First, verify that the user or system admin you're using has the Download AppExchange Packages permission. In a browser, copy and paste the URL given to you by the publisher or consultant of the app into the browser. If you want to install the package in a Sandbox, then change the URL from https://login.salesforce.com to https://test.salesforce.com along with the package link. Enter your username and password for the Salesforce org and click Login. If there is a package password request, then enter it in the box. This app is protected by an installation key. If there is a package password request, then enter it in the box. If there's no password, then that box will not be there. On the same page, there will be three options to install it for users: install for admins only, install for all users, install for specific users. For this screencast, I will select Install for Admins Only. Check the line item stating that you're installing a non-Salesforce application that is not authorized for distribution as part of Salesforce's AppExchange Partner Program. After click Install, you'll see a message that describes the progress and a confirmation message after the installation is complete. It will take anywhere from 1 to 30 minutes, depending on the size of the package and the org, to complete the installation. You will receive an email confirmation if it succeeded or failed. If the package includes post-installation instructions, they're displayed after the installation is completed. Otherwise, the instructions are posted on the AppExchange Application Information page, or the partner will email it to you. If the package fails to install, then a failure email will be sent to you. Please contact Salesforce Support if you need assistance. Once your package is installed successfully, you can always find it under the Installed Packages section by typing it in the Quick Find box. The package will be listed under the other packages installed. For more information, check out help.salesforce.com or join us on the trail at trailblazer.salesforce.com.